Hey guys, welcome back to another one. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the new frontside to stale trick. Super easy little trick. All you need to do is know how to do a frontside pop shove it, just like so. And all you'll be doing is performing this whilst holding your frontside when you're in the air. So to put this all together, it should look something like this. Find yourself a ramp, go airborne, and there is your frontside to stale. Oops, that was incorrect. So you just need to hold your frontside and then do that frontside pop shove it trick. Show you one more time. Frontside to stale. So grab the frontside and do that pop shove it trick. Super easy trick. You can incorporate into your lines. And that was all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. See ya.